Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we have 3x squared because we don't have the number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. This one with the x we change by this one. The integration of u, we have u square over number 2, and I will put about c. Number 3 and number 2 we have number 6. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.